this video, we'll see how we can integrate payment gateway with contact form. Like when someone submit the contact form, it will redirect to payment gateway. So in this video, we'll see how we can do it for free. Let's go. So here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now what we'll do, have installed plugin. Now first step, I have to install a contact form. Go on plugins, click on add new. Here search for contact form. 7. Using this plugin, we will add a payment gateway with form. Okay. First you need to install the form. Here you can see contact form 7. As you can see, I have already installed it. There is nothing need to do. Now after installation, you go on contact form. Here you can see form is already installed. Here you can see very simple form, nothing much more. You can view form here. Go on pages and here you can see this is my form. How you can place it? If you want to place your form in any pages, just copy this short code and go to your page and just place that short code. It will be easily added. Here search for short code, here you can see, and just place it, then it will be added. Okay. Now contact form is added. Now we want to add some payment gateway. Like when someone click on submit, a payment gateway should open. For that, we'll add a plugin. So in this video, we want to add a Razorpay payment gateway. Like now we will integrate Razorpay payment gateway with this form. Like there are multiple payment gateways that support contact form 7, but as of now, here you can see you can add PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay. You can search for other payment gateway as per your requirement. So we will be installing Razorpay for contact form 7. Now click on it, scroll down, here you can see I will add link in description of this form. Just install and activate it. Now plugin is installed. Now you need to go to your contact form, go on Razorpay setting. Here you need to enter detail required to use Razorpay. You need to add a key ID and key secret that you need to add. Go to your website. I am adding a dummy key ID and secret key. You can see I have added a dummy key ID and secret key. It's dummy. Now here you can go on Razorpay payments. Here you can see all the payment that you have received. If someone submit that form, here you can see all the payment. You need to add key ID and secret key that you can get from your Razorpay dashboard. Like you need to create account on Razorpay. Here you can see Razorpay and create your account, and then you will get the key ID and secret key. Now just add it. Now after adding it, what you need to do, go on contact form. This is my contact form. Click on edit. Here you can see there will be option of Razorpay. Just enable it and add the pricing, like how much pricing you want to add. There are some premium feature. If you want to use this, you need to buy the pro version of this plugin. Then you can use this feature. As of now, we don't want it. I will just set the pricing. Here you can see Razorpay is integrated with contact form. Now when you submit it, it will ask for payment. Like subject, I am not robot. When I click on submit, it will redirect to Razorpay. Or it authentication failed because I have entered a wrong key ID and secret key. If you enter properly, then it will redirect to payment gateway, and then you need to submit payment, and you can see all the payment detail on here. You see on dashboard. So that's very easy. That's how you can easily integrate contact form with payment gateway in WordPress for free. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.